10 smartest animals in the world. 1. Gorillas and chimpanzees. Chimpanzees and gorillas have sophisticated social structures and remarkable mental abilities, such as the ability to learn sign language. 2. Dolphins. Dolphins' legendary playfulness is proof of a strong intelligence that may be seen in their language and emotional bonds with one another. 3. Cephalopods. To escape boredom, cephalopods such as octopi, squid, and cuttlefish seem to actively occupy themselves. They are also extremely curious and have the ability to use objects as tools. 4. Grey parrots from Africa. Alex, a grey parrot, could detect visual and tactile characteristics of things and keep track of numbers in his thoughts. 5. Macaque monkeys that eat crabs. The crab-eating macaque catches crabs using its tail. It also cracks open shellfish with rocks. 6. Crows. The crow's problem-solving abilities are extraordinary. Some have been found to bend wire into hooks for retrieving food using their beaks. 7. Squirrels. Squirrels use a three-dimensional mental map to memorize the exact position of hundreds of concealed nuts. 8. Pigs. Pigs are both tidy and intelligent because they lack sweat glands. Their habit of rolling around in the mud is an innovative way to stay cool. 9. Elephants. Elephants show expressions of mourning after the death of a loved one, bury their dead, and even recognize themselves in a mirror. 10. Dogs. Dogs are more intelligent than we give them credit for. Dogs are capable of understanding nonverbal cues and maybe forming basic notions.